Got some exciting news. Got my first big bulk shipment in of 600 banging trucker hats, supposedly at $6 a piece. That cost me $3,600. It took me almost a year to build up some bulk connections and suppliers, and I finally acted on my first one. Let's go see what we got here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you ain't been here yet, my name's Dylan, and this is an exciting video for me. I've been on this reselling journey of mine, selling on eBay for, I think, the end of 11 months, almost coming up around a year now. And this whole time, I've been hearing how important it is to find bulk suppliers, and I've been on the search for that. I mean, the only real way to scale up in this business is utilizing your time. And if all your time is spent at the thrift store picking out item per item individually, it just makes things a little more difficult, and it's really hard to scale up from there once you get to a certain point. So this whole journey of mine, this whole 11 months, I've been spending a lot of time trying to build relationships. Every time I go to a thrift store, every time I go to a flea market, anytime I really go anywhere that I'm going to buy the inventory for my eBay store. It took me up until my 9th or 10th month to really meet a couple people to put into my contacts on my phone. I have 3 bulk suppliers that I haven't called yet. And I finally acted out on one about 2 weeks ago, and I ended up getting 600 hats for $6 a piece. After this little intro, I'm gonna show you the delivery on my porch, me opening up the box, and here they all are. And I got so much more in the boxes that I couldn't even fit on the table. And we're just gonna go through some of the hats that I got. Very exciting. Let's go see what we got here. All right. Look, gotta open these babies up. I'm excited. All right, the moment of truth, baby. The moment of truth, the moment of truth. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The moment of truth, the moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Already. Oh, Peter Millar, Vineyard Vines, LL Bean, Super Bowl champions, Celtics. Oh my goodness. Bangers, bangers, bangers. Wow. Wow. Very exciting. All right. Wow. Man, oh man. Ah, there's a good Disney one. Jets. Holy crap, man. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Oh man, I can't wait to get these all out for you guys. Wow, new with tags, some dead stock, vintage. Oh man, Dale Earnhardt, Miami, oh, I can already tell. Brand new, almost Patagonia. Oh, wow. What a great order. All right, let's get these all out and I'll go over these with you guys. Awesome. Very exciting. Man, oh man, oh man. I had no clue how much 600 hats we're gonna take up. I thought it was gonna be easy to store. I got this little thing so I could put like 20 hats on this side, 20 hats on that side. That is not gonna work, but this is exciting. I got so many old vintage hats in amazing condition, man. 1999 Champions Conference, 1989 A's All Champs. That's not vintage, that's a cool one though. 1996 World Series, Cowboy, I just, so many hats here to go through. Broncos with the tags, World Series, Jordans, Dolphins. I mean, oh my goodness, the hats. This is new with, a lot of new with tag stuff here. Vineyard Vines new with tags. I mean, the list goes on and on. This is just phenomenal. I even got some cool Michelin S bucket hats. I got so much stuff here. This is gonna give me so much inventory to list. And what I love about hats is they are so easy to list. You can literally take a picture of the front, the back, the 2 sides, and inside, you know, with what the size is. And if it's made of wool or cotton, or stuff of that nature. They're so easy to list. They're just, they don't take up a lot of room. I got all these down here. I got 2 boxes. I'll probably just store them and keep them in these boxes for now. I got a bunch of tailor-made, really amazing golf brand I mean, these hats are in almost mint condition too. For $6 a hat, I mean, I'm paying $3 to $5 at the flea market, but then I gotta go there, I gotta pay tolls. This just saves me so much time, and in this industry, time is definitely money. The thing about hats is they do take a while to sell. Hats you could be sitting on. I watch a bunch of resellers that sell just hats, and sometimes 3 years it takes for them to sell a hat. But in the meantime, I have no problem. I keep telling you, this is like my 401k, and I have no problem sitting on these hats. Like I said, they don't take up a lot of space. I could put these 2 boxes down in my basement for now, and yeah, this is just phenomenal. This order went so well that I actually acted on another supplier that has all clothes. They're all bangers at roughly $5 to $10 a piece. I called him last night, and we're gonna meet up next Sunday. So it's finally happening, guys. I guess you manifest what you put in, and I've been putting in everything I have into this business. Thrifting is fun, and I still love it, and I'm still gonna have to do that to keep my business alive now. I'm just starting with this these bulk orders, and hopefully it goes well, because there's nothing like getting the stuff delivered to my front door, and I don't even have to go out. I'll be able to list a lot more, and it just makes things so much easier and so much more scalable. Super excited, man. I know you can tell, you can see it. This is what I've been dreaming about since I started this, that I could find some bulk suppliers, and when I do, everything goes smooth. I don't get robbed. You know, I don't get crappy inventory. I am just super excited about this purchase. There's so much stuff that I haven't even gone through, and I know just by looking at what I already pulled out, they're all bangers, and I'm excited to pull out more. I know there's some hats here that are worth $100 or more. This is just phenomenal. So there you have it. I'm glad you made it this far, watching my journey. It's exciting for me. I hope it's exciting for you, knowing that you can do this. I started out not knowing anything about this industry. So don't get deterred, guys. It takes a while. Again, almost a year now, and this is my first order, and I just started building these relationships about a month ago. I went from 0 to $20,000 in 90 days. It took me almost 10 months, but here I am, and now I want to scale further. This is what it's going to take. I've been saving every penny I have, so I have the money to even do these bulk orders. And this whole process has just really been life-changing for me. I'm here to show you, anybody can do this. If you like this reselling content of mine, I'd appreciate if you subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, like the video if you liked it, and comment below on what you liked about the video. If you want to watch more content of mine, watch one of these 2 videos. And always remember those 5 P's, guys. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. So stay prepared so you can perform at 100%, and I hope to catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.